In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Google Trends for side hustle ideas fast and easy. If you're looking to dive into a new side hustle but aren't sure where to start, look no further. Google Trends is a powerful free tool that can help you identify what people are interested in right now. Let's walk through the process. To get started, open up your web browser and head over to your favorite search engine. Type in Google Trends and hit Enter. You'll see a link to the official Google Trends website in the search results. Go ahead and click on that to get started. Once you're on the Google Trends homepage, you'll see a variety of current trending searches, but for our purposes, we're going to use the Explore feature. Find the Explore button near the top of the page and click on it. Now that you're in the Explore section of Google Trends, it's time to think about broad keywords that align with your side hustle interests. Consider general terms such as side hustle, freelancing, make money online, passive income, or gig economy. These keywords will help you get a sense of what's hot right now in the world of side hustles. Go ahead and type one of these terms into the search bar and press Enter. After you initiate your search, Google Trends will provide a trend graph showing the interest over time for your chosen keyword. It's crucial to configure your search to get the most accurate data. First, set the location to your target region or country. This can help identify where your side hustle idea might be most popular or applicable. Next, adjust the time range at the top of the chart. You may want to try the past 12 months for recent interest, or even look at a longer span like the past 5 years to spot any long-term patterns. One useful insight Google Trends provides is the Interest by Region section. This feature shows you where particular searches are most prevalent, allowing you to consider tailoring your content, advertisements, or services to these specific areas, enhancing your chances of success in those regions. Scrolling down, you'll find related topics and related queries. This is where you can discover emerging trends and ideas. Focus on terms labeled as rising or breakout, which indicate rapid growth and emerging interests in the side hustle arena. For example, terms like print on demand, freelance graphic design, or selling digital products might surface as promising avenues. Finally, Google Trends allows you to compare several keywords simultaneously. Use the plus compare function to explore multiple potential side hustle ideas at once, facilitating a direct comparison of their popularity and growth. This can be incredibly informative in helping you narrow down your options to the most promising ideas with the most significant search interest or upward momentum. And that's it. You've now got the tools you need to leverage Google Trends effectively for your side hustle brainstorming. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide helps you discover your next big opportunity.